If you're sick of listening to, going to Switch, listening to fucking the same house beat on end, this is where you want to be. Different music, but still the Southampton scene.
How did you find tonight, boys?
Bring you back here every Saturday.
It's going to be big. You're going to be watching this and you're going to be thinking, who the fuck are these guys? But in a year and a bit, we're going to be up there, mate.